This new study from Osaka Metropolitan University is really shaking things up. It's about using fat stem cells to repair broken spines in rats, and the implications for treating osteoporosis are pretty exciting.
Yep, it's fascinating how they managed to use adipose-derived stem cells, right?
Absolutely. The researchers took stem cells from fat tissue, organized them into spheroids, which, are these little three-dimensional cell clusters, and then guided them to become bone-forming cells.
That's
This
incredible.
method seems promising for strengthening bones, particularly after spinal fractures.
Right, and it's not just about healing the fractures, it's about restoring bone strength. How did they exactly achieve that?
Well, they combined these bone-differentiated spheroids with beta-tricalcium phosphate. This compound is already widely used in bone reconstruction. So by combining it with the stem cells, they boosted bone regrowth in a pretty
Right, I see.
significant way. And the fact that the treatment improved gene activity tied to bone repair is really a game changer.
Definitely. Now I'm curious, do you think the use of fat-derived stem cells could be a less invasive strategy compared to traditional methods?
Exactly. That's one of the big selling points here. Fat tissue is quite accessible even for older adults and can be harvested
Yep,
with
that's a
minimal
major
discomfort.
advantage.
It might offer a route to treat osteoporosis and other bone disorders without heavy surgical intervention.
Yeah, but what about scaling this up? The study was in rats, but can we really expect the same in humans?
That's a good point. While the results in rats are promising, there are always challenges in translating findings to humans.
That's true.
However, the fact that the cells are sourced from fat, an abundant resource, adds to the potential for scalability and patient safety.
I can see that. And with Japan's aging population already facing rising osteoporosis rates, a safer, less invasive treatment seems crucial.
Exactly. With over 15 million people potentially affected by osteoporosis in Japan, a method that speeds up healing and strengthens bones could dramatically improve quality of life. It's
Right,
like
and that's really
having
encouraging.
a repair crew show up right when you need to fix a vital structure.
True. And it's interesting how organizing the stem cells into spheroids boosts their ability to initiate repair. It's almost like they're unlocking their hidden potential.
Precisely. It's like, when you build a team that works together, their combined strength is greater than the sum of their parts.
Yeah,
And in this
exactly.
case, that teamwork leads to better bone regeneration and healing.
One could argue, though, that while the cellular response is promising, we need to see longer term data on durability and safety in human trials.
I agree, that's a fair critique. There are definitely hurdles ahead before we can call it a cure all, but the groundwork here is solid, demonstrating that fat stem cells can indeed steer bone repair processes effectively.
Absolutely, I'd say that's a healthy, cautious optimism. It's exciting to think about the future of regenerative medicine with innovations like these.
Totally. With continued research, techniques like this could extend healthy lives, reduce hospital stays, and even change the whole approach to treating bone related diseases. The
Right on.
potential really is huge.
Thanks for breaking it down. This really sheds light on how a simple tissue like fat might be the key to such complex problems.
Always a pleasure to chat about groundbreaking science. And hey, who knew fat could be so fascinating, right?
Definitely.